Hi and welcome. In this session, we will understand what is business agility. Business agility is the ability to respond to change and deal with uncertainty in a fast paced environment. Which means if there are any changes that are happening, or if your organization is going with some tough times, then also your organization should be able to cope such situation, and it should be able to withstand any kind of such problems. So the ability to respond to change and deal with uncertainty. If there are any uncertain problems, unanticipated issues, then also your business operations must continue. And there should not be any delay. That means you should be able to continue with your operations, and you should be most flexible. That means your organization should be super flexible when it comes to coping with change and dealing with uncertainty or unanticipated problems. And also there has to be the speed. That means in a fast paced environment, for example, if you are working on an application, and if you have to deal with changes, and also if you have to deal with the uncertainties like the problems within the project team, or the problems that you face by getting any changes from the customer, and if you have to deliver in a fast paced manner, so these kind of situations you should be able to cope up, and you should be able to deliver value. So the most important aspects that the business needs to have, so as to have business agility in it, is flexibility and resiliency. So then only the organization will be able to sustain any kind of situation that comes. Yeah, so this is all about business agility. In our next video, we are going to understand why agile is winning. Yeah, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.